Hi folks, today we would like to introduce our spider arm airknives. These spider arm airknives are basically made out of stainless steel and they have these flexible spider arms. These are the plastic connectors. They are made out of special material which are used to focus on different parts of the bottle or can for drying application. This spider arm air knife is kept in an upside down position just only for demonstration, but usually when we have a conveyor with bottles coming in, these spiders can be adjusted for drying different portions of the bottle, may it be the cap drying or the middle portion where the label pasting is to be done. These spider arm air knives are widely used for bottle and can drying applications, and we at Everest have very proudly installed a lot of such systems in leading food and beverage industries. So let us have your applications, and our team of application engineers shall be glad to serve you with dependable Everest quality. Thank you. Have a nice day.